Hi, today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to end a sphere like this. A lot of times tutorials just say finish off or finish off and leave a long tail for sewing. But then how do you actually finish off a sphere in a way that you don't have a hole here anymore and it all looks pretty? I already have a video showing you how to finish off a circle like this one, and you can see that it all looks pretty similar, but actually here I used a special technique for finishing off that makes the circle look really similar and that you don't notice that this was the point where you ended. And I'm gonna have the link to this video in the description, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a similar thing for a sphere like this. So I ended this sphere with 6 decreases, which means that I have 6 stitches left, and here I have my little loop where the crochet hook was attached and then my little tail. I'm gonna attach the little tail to a yarn needle, like a thick needle, and what I'm going to be doing is I am gonna, with my yarn needle, grab all the the front loops of these last stitches. And I'm not going to tug very hard because I still want this end to be open and to be usable. Because if I tug very hard, I'm actually going to take apart a lot. So I'm actually not going through the last one, but the other 5 I went through with my yarn needle, and I just went through the one hoop. What I'll do then is get my yarn needle through this hoop, and then I'm going to tuck the end to kind of close the hoop, but because my yarn went through there, that is going to be it's not going to be falling apart. And yeah, I like to first kind of close the hoop, and after that tuck the yarn so that it yeah, it's fully closed and went through the hoop. As you can see, this is now closed. Let me see if it wants to. Yeah, this is now closed, but it's still a little bit, yeah, it doesn't look totally flat like this one. And because of that, I just go with my needle through the, through the top, and then I go out just random somewhere else. And I took this and I kind of tug on it, which makes this little, little pointy top that we had totally disappear. And, it makes it way more difficult to see where, does it want to focus? It makes it way more difficult to see where we actually closed it, and the difference between this side and this side gets smaller. Because I went, I tucked it really tight when I went through the loop, there is actually already some kind of knot in there, so I can just cut this tail off, which means that the tail is now hidden in this little ball, which gives you a ball without a tail and a really neat ending. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this one, a thumbs up. And I'm going to be linking to a playlist to show you, how to make more simple shapes like this one. So, hope to see you in the next video. Bye!